and welcome to this yoga flow that we can do in a small space wherever we are. I'm going to invite you to begin to come through to a seated position. No props are needed, and just beginning to ensure that the sit bones are comfortable. Light touch on the thighs or the knees. I'm going to begin to circle from the center. So just taking some organic movement. And then when we're ready, we'll begin to take the shoulders over the sit bones. So we're going to begin to stack our hands. Left hand on top of that right. And we'll begin to tuck and round. As you tuck and round, softening that right elbow. And we'll begin to lean forward, opening up that left hand, taking a bit of a half cactus. We'll take the arm up. And then back down. We're going to take that one more time, tucking and rounding. Opening up with that half cactus. Beautiful arm beginning to rise. Right hand beginning to come down. We're going to take the fingertips to the back of the head, leading with that left elbow. Maybe a bit of a side stretch. Left arm rising. We'll take a twist. Left hand along that right limb. Right arm coming across. We're going to come into eagle or a hug. So we're going to stack with our hugs. And then beginning to explore. Beautiful. Begin to bring that left hand on top of the thigh, right hand down, tucking and rounding. And that half cactus. Right arm beginning to rise. We'll rinse and repeat. Half cactus. Right arm will begin to lift, left hand to the earth. I'll take that side stretch. You may take the left hand more towards the hip, taking more of a diagonal side stretch. Definitely depending on how much space you have or don't have. Right hand beginning to lift, we'll take our twist. Right hand coming along that lift. Left arm coming across. We're going to take your hug or your eagle. Wonderful. Gently beginning to unfurl the arms. We're going to take a cradling the baby with that left leg, right hand on the foot. And we can stay quite close. You might even take both hands to the foot itself. Maybe we take it a little bit closer. Showing we circle, moving in a way that we bend and move. Gently leaning back, we'll begin to straighten that right leg, taking that foot down. We're going to fold. So taking the hands in front of the shin, walking the hands forward. Beginning to slide or walk the hands back. We'll take a mini wild thing. So beginning to twist, right hand along that left limb, planting that left hand. Gently releasing. Begin to bring that right leg in for a bit of a cradling of the baby and your variation. Leaning leaning back, we'll begin to take that left leg out, releasing the right ankle. We're going to begin to fold. Just readjusting the sit bones as you begin to melt down. You might stay up on the fingertips, palms, maybe the forearms. Beginning to walk the hands closer to that shin. We'll begin to take our mini wild thing, planting that right hand. Begin to lift. Softening the sit bones down. We'll begin to sit back, taking the legs back in. We'll take a butterfly cobbler. So you can make more of a diamond or a triangle. Thumbs might come along the soles of the feet, opening them like a book. And again, you might fold. And beginning to lift. We'll casually begin to come back through to your easy seat. And you take the hands here at the heart. And gently bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. Thank you for taking this very short yoga flow, again, that you can take in any space. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you again soon.